Number one, we are going to determine the vertex of the image after the following reflections. A, you have the reflection over the y-axis. This is the y-axis here. This is the line of reflection. And when we reflect it, it does follow the rule. The points of x comma y, whatever they are, will undergo a transformation where the x value will change size. So it goes from an x to a negative x comma y. So let's grab our original points. We have A, which is going to be 1 comma 2, B, which is 4 comma 2, and C, which is 3 comma negative 2. These will all go a transformation, and it gets us the new points. A prime is going to be negative 1 comma 2. The x changes values. The B prime is going to be negative 4 comma 2. And the C prime is going to be negative 3 comma negative 2. For the B, which is reflection over the x-axis, this is the line of reflection, which is right here. There are 4 points that are going to undergo a transformation. The rule for a reflection over the x-axis, any point of x comma y will arrow in x comma negative y. This is where the y value changes size. So your points are, let's go A first. A is the point 2 comma negative 1. B is the point negative 1 comma 2. C is the point 2 comma 1 2 3, and D is the point 4 comma 2. These will all undergo a transformation over the x-axis, so the y is going to change values. So A prime is going to be 2. The negative 1 becomes a positive 1. B prime is going to be negative 1 comma negative 2. It goes from 2 to negative 2. C prime is going to be 2 negative 3, because the 3 becomes a negative 3. And D prime is 4 comma negative 2. Next, let's do the reflection of y equals to x. Reflection over y equals x is this diagonal line. Okay, and then we have a rule for the y equals to x. Any point of x comma y is going to go such that the values will flip. It becomes y comma x. This is the rule for a reflection of y equals to x. You have 3 points here. The points here are A, which is 6 comma negative 3, B, which is 1 comma negative 2, and C, which is 4 comma 1. These all will undergo a reflection over y equals to x. You get A prime, which is going to be negative 3 comma 6. You see how the x and the y changes. B prime is going to be negative 2 comma 1, and C prime as 1 comma 4. Next, this is a reflection over x is equal to 2. It is very difficult to apply a rule because we do not have a rule of x is equal to 2, but we know that it goes through this line. So what you have to do is actually understand their distance from the line of reflection, because there's no rule for this, okay? So take a look here. Notice how the A is going to be how many points? Let's see. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points away here, okay? To the value of x is equal to 2. So it also has to be 5 points away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 2 plus 5, it is 7. So here, A prime is going to be 7, comma, it is 1, 2, 2. Okay, then let's look at the point B. B is 1 line away, so it's going to be just 1 across there. B prime is going to be 2 plus 1, it is 3. So 3 comma negative 1. Let's look at C. How far is C away? 1, 2, 3, 4. So C prime is going to be 4 points away from 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. C prime is 2 plus 4, which is 6. and this is at negative 2. And let's look at how far D is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 6 away. So 2 plus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. So D prime is going to be 8, comma. This is a negative 1. So these are your 4 points after that reflection.